In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. Start by going to the Roblox website and sign into your account. Click on the Create button at the top and you should be redirected to the Roblox Creator Hub. If you're not, then click the back button and click the Create button again. Or select the address bar and go to create.roblox.com. Select Creations from the side. Switch to the Development Items tab and go to Decals. Now click the Upload Asset button. Click the Upload button and a File Explorer window will open. Locate the image that you want to use for your crew logo. Then select it and click the Open button. To design a logo, you can use Paint, Photopea, Canva, or another image editor if you have one. You will want to use a resolution of 1024 by 1024. Select the name box and give your decal a name. This can be the crew name or what the image is. Go to the description box and add a brief description of what the image is. Click the Upload button at the bottom. Your decal image may take a few minutes to show up. You can try refreshing your page to see if it's been updated. Place your cursor over the decal, then click the three dots and select Open Asset Details. Select the address bar, then right-click on the text and select Copy, or just press Ctrl-C. You will need this link for your crew logo. Alternatively, you can use an existing decal for your crew logo. Select Store from the top, then go down and select Images. Select the search box and enter what you want for the image. Press Enter on your keyboard or click the Search button. Alternatively, you can click the button next to the Browse Images text to open the filter options. This allows you to find images made by a specific creator or apply other filters. Add the filters you want, then click Search. Select the image that you want to use. Click the Get Decal button if you wish. Then go to the top and select the address bar. Make sure the text is highlighted, then press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy the link. Open Blox Fruits. Click the crew icon on the left, then select the Logo link box. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V on a Mac to paste the decal link into the box. Then press Enter. You now know how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.